Kuya Gian. Say hi to them muna, Miss. Hi! Alright. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang aming special guest. Let's all say hi to Lala Chan! Okay, so bago tayo mag-start, ituturo muna sa inyo ni Lala Chan yung unang dalawang step ng ating dance. Gagayahin niyo po si Lala Chan isa. Step 1, wiggle your body up and down. Up and down. Parents and guardian map, sa likod na lang po muna ng mascot. Okay, step 2 na is move your arms up and down from right to left. Kaya